Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about how to do a focus and how to go in the deep work because we all have a lots of distraction. We never understand that this internet era almost disturbed all of you, and we need to understand this quality because deep work is most important. If you want to get ahead, if you want to get succeed, then you have to focus on with deeply. And if you are not understand what is the deep work, you can't be able to do this. At least if you practice daily and you get distracted, then come back and practice daily. You can't doing right because this strategy is not going to take you ahead. You have to understand yourself. I know I'm trying to understand myself every day I want to understand my personality, my way of thinking. I recognize some thinking in my mind, and I I once negative thinking and come in my mind, then I say that stop thinking about this because it's not necessary. You are doing worse things. You are working on your worst thing because it's not important. What is important is that you work and how you are doing your work properly. Yeah, only for showcases. Nothing. Don't do this. Try to focus more and more. And once you start to working deeply, then avoid all distraction, especially internet. I do it. I avoid internet. But when my children came and disturbed me, it's okay, no problem. Just trying to focus on your listening, reading. I know once you reading, you are focused on your reading, and once you are not reading, your mind began to distracted. You can't control your mind. Just give a direction to your mind that no, this is wrong, this is right. Go in the right direction, go in the right path because it's suited for you, and it is most important to you. And imagine after a 5 year, will you where will you able to doing good something. You have to imagine yourself and tell your mind that no, don't think like that. This is the worst material. This is not as important as you're thinking. Just neglect it and work on you deeply. Work on your ability, work on your skill. That is most important. We we all need to understand this reality because we all human filled with negativism. And when something happened, then my we all minds began to think that in negative direction because this may be human mind made with comforted human mind made for the comfort zone. And once you take your mind to the comfort zone, your mind get regret. Why this happening with me? Forget me, leave me and work, and don't force me to do anything like that. So please tell your mind that no, you have to do because anyone in the humanity, there are lots of people who do well, who made a Sophia like robotic human, who made a cheetah like all things. They can travel, they can uplift a weight. That is most so much interesting. Once I see in the video, there is Sophia, there is butterfly, robotic butterfly. I was see then I get shocked. What is this? How human can do? But human are doing this because this that that type of thinking they have. You don't have. You have to acquire this thinking, and you have to much free with your basic need. Actually you are free with your basic need, but at the time you began to think the worst material, the almost lose material. Don't think about that. Work on your skill, work on your deeply, and work with deeply on your skill. That is most important. Tell to your mind, no, this is not important. What is important? This is important. And if you if you get help to someone to save your time, pretty that is pretty much good. You have to recognize this understanding. And well, this talking are helpful for me, especially that I can focus on my writing skill too. So I will try to make a good writing every day. Thank you so much.